Dip buying is not working out too well in the NASDAQ right now. This market continues to get weaker, and we see lows, previous day's lows continuously taking out, and the market rolls over once again today after Friday's lows. We'll see if those hold. But this is a strategy that takes long and short trades on the triple Qs. It's not concerned about fundamentals. It's not concerned if what the stock is worth. It just trades it for the day in the direction that it's going, looking at some underlying fundamental factors for that day only. So we know that if a market will go up long term, we know it could go down on any given day. If it's going to go down, long term, it can go up on any given day. So these are just day trades, 5-point stop loss, 5-point profit target. Here's an example of trading with the triple Qs. I developed it back in here at the end of December, and you see it took this dip right here, and now it's making new equity peaks. Taking this short trade today, as always, good to start after a couple of losing trades. There are 2 losing trades right here, then a winner, and then today it was almost stopped out. 310.84 would have been the stop out price, and it made a high of 310.06. So getting in, starting on a day when it's almost stopped out, could also potentially be a good way to start trading this strategy to minimize initial risk. And you can also, with equities, we typically trade futures, but the QQQ tends to move. Been watching it lately. It tends to move a little more smoothly than the NASDAQ 100 futures. NASDAQ 100 futures are absolutely wild right now, and the QQQ can trade a little bit better. And just been watching it, and you can adjust your risk by the number of shares as well. So this is an example of how you would trade 50 shares. You could do this with $15,000 roughly. You need to allow for some drawdown. If you start out, you can always start out with a drawdown. So $15,000 to $20,000 with 50 shares, or if you have less than 50 shares, you could trade with less capital. And you don't have to worry about the pattern day trade rule because it takes 1 trade per day and no more than 5 trades per week. So it's perfect for a smaller account, sub $25,000 account, if you want to short-term trade, day trade the triple Qs.